Go.
What's up, everybody? Connor back with another video. You probably can't see me, but I've got 4 Series 15 Lego figs. My dad's beside me. You can't see him. For reasons, Dad doesn't like just being in the camera.
My mom's here too.
And my mom is here too. She's grabbing a marker for me, and we're gonna. Oh no, we got a ballerina.
Good for you.
And there's my family. We got a ballerina. Great.
Maybe somebody out there wants to trade with you.
That would be awesome. I
Well, at
don't.
least you got nice hair.
Now I just want to throw it in the garbage. She said, "Oh my God, it's a dog!" I have to stop getting sidetracked. Mom, can the camera pick this up?
It's pretty dark.
It's not that hard to see.
No, but
No, don't get it exactly on her. I need like a wide zoom.
you have a wide zoom.
And there are 3 dots.
We can't see that yet. Show
I'll say them later. I do them at the end of the video. Next bag. I need to keep this bag. Keep all my bags. All my bags right here.
All right, ballerina.
They give me a darker marker. I was just saying, it's fine if you don't want it though. Oh, we got the knight again.
You already have that one?
Yeah. I got him in like my very first one.
Oh, before you were keeping track.
Actually, no, I'm keeping. He's right over here, actually. He's right here, knight.
Oh, I guess we didn't check.
And my dad farted.
On YouTube.
Yep.
That's awesome.
Welcome to the household.
That will be on YouTube forever now. Sorry about the noise, guys. If you don't like this, well, this is my family, so too bad.
Here's the darker marker.
This was the. We don't need to keep track of this since the knight has the same holes.
Yeah, just let me see that. I just want to compare it.
I think that one's different. Here's the knight. I think that only has 2 circles. No, the patterns are different.
They are different.
Okay, well, there's no way of keeping track anymore. We failed. Our project failed.
1, 2. Is there 2?
It's going to be different every time, Mom. Oh my God. We got this guy. This is weird. He's like a gladiator / Hawkman.
That's the one we thought we had.
It's a gladiator
Are
/
different. They've changed it.
Mom. Mom. This is a gladiator / Hawkman. Cool. His face is cool.
How many pieces?
I don't know. Quite a few. Because he has like full armor. He's cool. So we could throw out all these bags. Because we don't need them anymore.
It's hard.
Sucks. They changed them. So people can't keep track. Oh, that's too short. You never know because you don't want to cut the pieces or the paper. Oh, yes! We got the grappler hook guy. Girl. Blah, sorry. It's like Catwoman, but different. Like yellow form. Cool hair, though. Black Widow's hair. This is one of the guys I wanted. I still need to get the shark guy. He must be pretty rare then.
Oh, she's cool.
And there's Toast. Okay, guys, that's the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed. See you guys later. Bye.